The Modì grid for new lawns. The Modì grid is ideal for creating new lawns. A solid base of well-levelled, rolled and pressed gravel is covered by a layer of finer gravel and then a thin layer of sand, and the Modì grid is placed on this bed. The top side with the thinner ribs must be placed faced up. It's not necessary to use the locking rings for making new lawns, as the connecting system on the grid guarantees stability. The Modì grid has been specifically designed internally with sufficient outlets positioned correctly to ensure that the roots can spread better horizontally around the grid. This guarantees uniform growth of the grass. Water is also gradually distributed without pooling, so that there is a high drainage capacity. The water collectors containing 1 litre per square metre distributed on the surface of the Modì grid allow water to flow through the channels provided, guaranteeing reductions in irrigation costs and better lawn maintenance, which is also encouraged by the use of fertilisers and the heat reduction provided by the grid. Once the Modì garden grid has been put in position, it can be filled with organic loam, peat and sand. This can even be done using mechanical methods without in any way compromising the stability of the grid. The seeds can then be sown and watered as required. Retractable sprinklers can also be inserted in the grid. As an example of one of the many applications, you can see the grid used here in a playground. Even after the heaviest rain, the ground will remain in good condition and can be used without getting dirty. Once the grass has grown, it requires no maintenance. Modì garden grid: well-being, savings and respect for the environment.